Hi there. Now I'm gonna teach you how to create your own Twitch channel so you can start streaming. So first, please open up your browser as I'm doing right now, and then just click on New tab. From here, just type on Twitch, click on the very first result from here, and we're gonna be directed to the Twitch platform. So from here, I'm gonna take you to a step-by-step creation of the account. As you can see over here on the top right, there has a login option and a sign up. Since we don't have any account yet, let's click on sign up. And it's gonna ask us for a username and password. Let's just choose a username that you want and a password. Now from here, it says that it's a very common password. Add more words or characters. Give me a second. I'm gonna give it a very different style. Just a second, okay? This is the very much product that I have usually. There you go. Then click on next step. Now it's gonna ask for a phone number or an email. So from here, I just use my email because it's gonna ask for a verification. Click on that and then choose your birthday. Just choose on your birthday and then or randomly choose a date that has a legal age. And just click on sign up. From there, since we chose the email address earlier, it's gonna ask for a 6-digit code. Now just go to your email, and as you can see here, this is the code. Or you can also click verify your account, but I just want to take this code right here and then just type on it. It's 276010. From here, it's verifying by itself. Just give it a few seconds or a few minutes. And there you go. I just created my own Twitch channel using the PC, and you can start streaming right away. And that's how you create your own Twitch channel using your PC or your Windows. Or you can use this also on your Mac. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.